You want to find your flight on the departure board as quickly as possible, but there are so many flights up there, it can be overwhelming. Therefore, I'm going to tell you the fastest way to find your flight on the departure board reading the least amount of information. Hi, I'm Linda and I love to travel. As soon as you get through customs and security at the airport, you want to find your flight on the departure board so as you can locate the gate that your flight is departing from. But the board has a lot of flights and a lot of information up there and it can be overwhelming. There's people around everywhere. You don't want to be standing there reading and reading and reading and searching for your flight. Therefore, the number one thing to know is that the flights are ordered by time, the original scheduled time of departure. Therefore, the fastest way to find your flight is to find that column and look down that column first to your flight departure time. Sometimes this column is on the left, sometimes it's on the right, sometimes it's in the middle, sometimes it's called time, sometimes it's called STD, scheduled time of departure. Find that column. Scan down the column and find the time that your flight was originally scheduled to depart. Now, there may be a couple of flights at the same time, but then you only have to read those couple of rows. Find the time, then look across the row and check that that's your flight, your airline, your flight number, your destination. You've got the row in record time. Then you can see what gate the plane is leaving from. Don't make the mistake of starting to read the board by airline. That airline has numerous flights. Don't look by destination or flight number. It's going to take time to read all that information. When you found the row, your flight and the gate number, then you can have a look at the estimated time of departure and the status. The estimated time of departure is the time that they're estimating it's actually going to leave. If the estimated time and the scheduled time are the same, then bonus, the flight's going to be on time. If the estimated time is different from the scheduled time, then you have a delayed flight. Have a look at the status column. So that will tell you whether the gate's open, whether the flight's actually boarding, you better start running. Whether the flight's been cancelled, sometimes the status will show delayed if it's been delayed. When you've got all that key information and you know which gate the flight's departing from, you want to find out how far away that gate is from where you are. Often there's a map of the airport under the departure board. It can take anywhere from 2 minutes, 5 minutes, 12 minutes, 20 minutes to get to a gate in an airport. Some of the bigger airports in the world, you actually need to go catch a train to get to that gate. It can take time. So first of all, find that gate, make sure you know how long it's going to take to get there. Start making your way towards that gate. Even if you've got time before your flight, then you can relax, get some food, have a drink, do whatever. Get to that gate first. Make sure you've got time to get there. Don't miss your flight. By the way, check this out. My flight from Melbourne to Phuket was delayed 5 hours, 40 minutes. Scheduled time versus the estimated time. It actually ended up being 6 hours by the time we got boarded and we took off. If you're traveling with carry-on, watch this video and know the rules of your liquids for carry-on luggage. Happy and safe traveling out there.